Today, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a critical aspect of aviation safety and efficiency, quality assurance. So, this is our group members. I'm Jose Manuel Abe. This is Ana Paredes, Ivan Galindo, J. Albert Dizon, and Ryan Paul Pandes. We're the topic 2, quality assurance.
For the objectives, Introduction to Quality Assurance in Aviation, Continuous Airworthiness Maintenance Program, or CAM, Quality Audits in Maintenance Engineering, ME, Key Functions of Quality Assurance, Processes, Procedures subject to audits, ISO 9000 Quality Standard in Aviation, Record Keeping and Compliance. Next slide, please. Definition of QA. Quality assurance, or QA, is comprehensive approach to managing the quality of products or services throughout their life cycle, encompassing planning, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation to ensure they meet specified requirements and customer expectations. It involves establishing standards, procedures, and processes to prevent defects and other issues before they arise, ultimately aiming to provide confidence to stakeholders that product or our service is acceptable quality. Next is importance. Quality assurance QA is crucial aviation ensuring safety, reliability, and customer satisfaction. It involves implementing processes to meet and exceed industry standards and regulatory requirements throughout all stages of aircraft development, manufacturing, maintenance, and operation. By prioritizing QA, aviation companies can enhance safety, build trust, and maintain a competitive edge. Overview of regulatory requirements. Regulatory requirements are rules, laws, and standards set by government, agency, or regulatory bodies that businesses and individuals must follow to operate legally within a specific industry or jurisdiction. These requirements cover various aspects like safety, finance, environment, and operation. Definition of CAM. A Continuous Airworthiness Maintenance Program, or CAM, is structured maintenance program required by Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) for certain aircraft, including fractional ownership, aircraft commercial operations, and large aircraft. It ensures that aircraft remain airworthy and comply with regulatory requirements by establishing systematic maintenance, inspection, and record-keeping procedures. Next slide, please. Roles of OPSPECs. Operation Specification OPSPECs serve as detailed authorization document issued by FAA, granting permission for an air carrier to operate and defining specific operational requirements, conditions, and limitations. They essentially spell out how an airline complies with various parts of FAR or Federal Aviation Regulation and provide guidance to all affected employees, management, and the FAA. FAA approval process. The FAA Federal Aviation Administration approval process is comprehensive procedure designed to ensure the safety and reliability of aircraft engines, propellers, and other aviation-related products. It involves various stages including design review testing and inspection, ultimately leading to certification or approval allows safe operation and use in aviation. Um, Next is importance of monitoring effectiveness. Regular assessment and tracking of the CAM effectiveness are vital to identify areas for improvement, ensuring ongoing airworthiness and operational efficiency.
Quality audits in maintenance and engineering, or ME. The purpose of this quality audit serves to independently assess compliance with the maintenance standards, identify deficiency, and enhance operational practices, creating a foundation for continual improvement. Frequency and scope of audits. Audits should be routinely scheduled and covered comprehensive aspects of maintenance operation, ensuring that all processes are regularly reviewed for compliance and effectiveness. Key areas of focus. Typically focus on areas of audits include maintenance records accuracy, adherence to maintenance schedule, regulatory compliance, and overall operation efficiency, corrective action and timelines. Identifying non-conformities during audits trigger the needs for corrective actions, which must be documented and monitored within specified timelines to ensure resolution and compliance. Key function of quality assurance. Administration and management of QA. Quality assurance administration encompasses developing standards, policies, and procedures that govern the operational aspects of aviation maintenance. Conducting QA audits. Regularly scheduled audits are integral to QA process, allowing for systematic evaluation of compliance and effectiveness across all maintenance operations. Maintaining technical records. Accurate and comprehensive maintenance records are paramount, ensuring traceability, accountability, and compliance with the regulatory demands. Liaison with regulatory authority. Establishing a cooperative relationship with regulatory authorities is essential for quality assurance, facilitating compliance with verification and communication on the best practices.
So next is, let's begin with line and hangar maintenance. Line maintenance involves routine day-to-day service such as inspection, refueling, and minor repairs, usually done while aircraft is still at the gate or short turnaround. On the other hand, hangar maintenance includes more comprehensive inspection, in-depth repairs that requires more planning time and resources. Both type of maintenance must follow strict procedures and often are audited to ensure safety and compliance. So next is material handling. Proper material handling and storage of aircraft materials is crucial. Any error in this process can lead to damage, contamination, or part failure, which compromises safety audits. Whether organizations have proper procedures and storage conditions to maintain the integrity of the material used in maintenance. Also, we have engineering process. This involves the design, modification, and analysis of aircraft system auditors. Assess whether engineering practices follow established standards and if they implemented correctly. Compliance is essential for aircraft reliability and performance. And the other key area is the training of personnel. Maintenance and engineering teams must be highly skilled. Regular audits verify if training programs are effective and up to date, ensuring that all personnel are qualified to perform their role safely and efficiently. Next. So now let's talk about iOS 9000 quality standard. iOS 9000 quality standard is a globally recognized framework for quality management. It helps organizations to establish consistent process and encourage continuous improvement. In aviation, iOS 9000 is extremely relevant. It supports process control, risk management, and standardization, all of which are vital in maintenance operation. Organization of all sizes from small MROs to major airlines can be certified under iOS 9000. To get certified, they must meet strict criteria demonstrating their commitment to high standards and continuous improvements. Moving on to recording and keeping compliance next. Um, so, recording and keeping compliance is essential. Is a essential document that includes maintenance logs, inspection reports, and audit records. These records are not just for internal use; they are often reviewed by regulatory authorities to ensure ongoing compliance. Accurate and complete records are vital. This serves as a proof of compliance and help track on a aircraft's maintenance history. This becomes this becomes especially important when an aircraft changes ownership, as the value and airworthiness of the aircraft often depend on its documentation. So, in conclusion, quality assurance in aviation is not just about following procedures. It's about creating a culture of safety, accountability, and continuous improvement through regulatory audits, adherence to iOS standards, and meticulous recording, keeping aviation organization uphold the highest standards to ensure safety of the passengers, crew, and aircraft. So that's all for our reporting. Thank you.